30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, the shrimp boats are coming home. The old man down in the corner, he slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle. This is what he said: I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away the New Orleans. Come on! Making down from Chicago, he goes set that living guy. He said it needs to be at least 3 feet high, or it won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the corner, he said, don't you listen to that boy. The water be down by the morning, and you'll be back to Illinois. On the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, the shrimp boats are coming home. The old man down in the corner, he slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle. This is what he said: I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. Nobody taught me it takes a lot of water to wash away the New Orleans.